everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rita Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Vegas Top PK YouTube channel. So today I decided to do a very glam evening look because winters are coming and everyone would be going out for dinners and for parties, especially for like all the wedding season coming up. So I decided to create this look that you can carry with western outfits as well as desi outfits. Is a look that is very versatile and perfectly glam. So in today's video, I'll teach you step by step how to create this smoke out eyeliner and give yourself a very neutral mattified makeup look. So keep on watching. the final look, you guys, and I absolutely loved working with all these products. All the products were really amazing and they helped me create this final look that you can carry in evening, informal dinners, or perfectly just looking glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below. Till the next one, take care and bye-bye.